but it's just a simple boat. But by running the ocean like dug 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 dug, with the man saying inside the ship cockpit. So these are the steering wheels. Now you can go like turn it this around like this and turn this piece around to the right. I think this should be enough because this will break again and again. Like see, you start like and running around like it will start going this way and this way and like this. It will go this way. Then it's straight. Because see, how did I make it? See, you can see carefully the big piece. You can see this big piece. This how I made it with the big long piece, and also these windows. The window piece. Can you see this? That's the window piece. And these pieces like yellow, like an entire of yellows, like and a purple and a white and a purple again. And these are means one side and only a platform. And again again platform. I don't mean the platform, but I don't know this name. Let's see. You can see this tricky piece what I can touch. Here's that thing what the yellows are touching, sitting on. It means you can know if I open this yellow piece, you will see the bottom of the ship like this. That's the piece. What is wrong? It will maybe trickier because you will see just a square man and you will think it's only a square. This is just a line. What's the yellow touching on? Like, see there can move because see they're stuck in the bottom like this piece. The entire piece, like see this piece. You will add it here. See, it goes here. Then you add this piece over here, the circles. Like the circle piece, you keep it here and inside. Now you stick it. That's good. Now the ship is ready to run. But until I'm going to tell you of this piece. The brain piece, not the brain piece, the rotor, like this. The rotor from here, this piece runs around and around and around like this, like a rotating engine. What I made in the jumbo jet is like the engine of the jumbo jet. See, and this circle means it's on, but it's already on. No, it's not on. The silver means when you press the silver button means you have to turn it off. When you press the white button, you will turn it on and it will start running by leaving you behind. And it will run and turn about all itself without a driver like a transformer. Like see, like this piece, the engine, it rotates while the driver sits inside and push the engine pedal, push the gas pedal, and it will start and runs around. And this piece means the piece, other Lego piece, means the blue piece will connect here. And the white one, see, the white one and the green one, I have connect them to these on here and those silver connectors. Those silver connectors means I know these are 2 cubes, but this piece will when I leave him alone. Like, see, rotate it, press the button. You will be running inside while you press the gas pedal. Like, see, you add this piece around, and you add this one here, and this will be running like this. And see, circuit metals over here. This piece of the tentacle for good. It will just when you like press the button like the gas pedal, it will go like this piece will go like and these two pieces will go. Then it will start running like dug 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 dug. It will start running like dug 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 dug. It will go first. See. First, this ship will go on this station, on the pillow station. It will go like dug 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 dug. First back, then turn. Then you are set to go. Like you will, then straight, then turn like this. You will be like, ooh, the ship is crashing on top. It will think like that, but no. You will think this piece is causing the problem like a rock. You will think this is a rock. This is not a rock. This is the other piece like a real boat. Like it will be running like up and down, like this is up and down. Like this is the engine of the boat. See, like engine, like a engine on an aeroplane, like and same thing, a engine on a boat. Like this can be a propeller of a real boat. And first, see, this piece is going for the propeller. This big guy is going for a propeller run, for a propeller testing out. Like this piece, look here, that's the propeller. And the propeller will like spin around, like it will start. See, this piece is the propeller, it will go like dug 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 dug. There you see it turning around, see? Dug 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 dug. If you see it's turning around, say yes.
Yes.
Like this. See, it will start running and it will spin the cube like this. Dug, dug, dug. First, press the gas pedal. The cycle like then engine turn on. Then you should like then means you will bump on a rock. When you will bump on a rock, there will be a submarine button. When there's a rock ahead, there's a submarine button. You press that, you will go in the ground. Or see, there are no ships who can turn into a submarine. Only if there's a rock. I got one idea for you. If there's a rock, you should quickly turn the ship around. Like, that's how you can turn the ship around. And see, if you want to go straight and there are clear road like beautiful oceans, you will say, wow, super beautiful, I'm going to run on this ocean. You'll be like that. And like, I'm not always in a boat. When I was born, I was always in a plane. Not even a car. When I was going in India, I was not going in a car or ship. Like this is a boat. Somehow I think I used to go in a boat. The boat will say, and when the boat will move around, and when the boat turns around, he will say, okay, bye, see you later. I'm going to go for a round. I'm going for one round. He'll be like that and running even there like, yeah, this is super hard and bumpy and rocky.